Greetings and welcome to PinballHelp. Mike here. If you've been watching this, I've been working on redoing the displays of a Bally 35 game. This is Hot Doggin', and we've got the displays completed and in the game. And check it out. Don't they look great? And believe it or not, every single one of them came out really good. I was kind of, whenever you do that many boards, you kind of wonder, is there going to be a problem? When you're soldering that many boards, 5 separate boards, and they all came out pretty good. You can see I also put some cool white LEDs, and I changed the backglass from those standard kind of amber ones to the blue here. And so this game looks 1,000,000% better. Isn't that neat? They're just plug and play. All I had to do was pull the high voltage fuse on the power driver board that normally supplies the high power. Since this game no longer needs it, it's running off of the 5-volt logic stuff to the board. So it was a simple plug and play solution that works really, really well. And if you don't mind, a little soldering, you can do them yourself and save quite a bit of money. Even if you don't, this is from Pinatech, and I really recommend them. They came out great. They look beautiful. I didn't even have to adjust them or tweak them. They all just came out really nice. And I'll probably be using these in other games. So thanks for watching. For more, visit pinballhelp.com. Catch me at Twitter /pinballhelp. And thanks for watching.